Hello everyone! Today's video is actually going to be a mini vlog style, and for today I'm going to be cooking a Diavlo shrimp pasta. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Hi guys! So I ended up going to the store and I got some vegetables, I got some meats, and when I get home a little bit later, because I'm still going to do some more shopping, I need to get some leggings, and I want to get two sweatshirts. I want to get one that's navy blue and one that is gray. We'll see if I find any. But I would like to make this pasta. It's I don't know what it's called, but I want to make a shrimp pasta, but my mom doesn't like shrimp, so I'm going to make some grilled chicken and allow her to eat her pasta with the grilled chicken, and then the rest of the family can have the shrimp. It's a penne pasta with a red sauce. Well, it's not a red sauce, it's like a spicy orange sauce, kind of like Diavlo. I'm going to try to make Diavlo, fingers crossed, I hope it works. But I'm going to head into the store right now, see if I can find some leggings, and then we will head back home and start the cooking process, and I'll show you guys that as well. So I just returned from the store. I went shopping for leggings and I got myself a sweatshirt, and then I ended up going to the grocery store and I got some things from there because I do want to make dinner today. But then I also visited Bath & Body Works. So my favorite scent ever, and I think like most girls would agree with me that, I don't know if you can see that, yep. Mahogany teakwood is most girls' favorite scent. I mean, it's so, it just smells so good. Actually, I have two. My second favorite scent is champagne toast. It smells so good. It's very girly, very soft scented. But anyway, today I'm going to be making a shrimp pasta, and I've got all my ingredients right here behind me, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. So I'm starting off with some onion, I have garlic, some shrimp, I've got some grape tomatoes, lemon and lime, cilantro, pasta, some raspberries, but we're making some juice with that a little bit later, some heavy cream, I've got some oregano, cayenne, smoked paprika, a little bit of mixed seasoning. It's a smoked paprika as well. I've got chili, lime, and I have sea salt. I'm going to grab some black pepper in just a moment, and then I'm going to go ahead and slice these up. Next, I want to go ahead and roast this garlic. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut that in half. So it'll look something like this. Now we're going to go ahead and throw some rigatoni into some boiling water. Right here I have a pan of searing hot oil. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of these onions and we're going to go ahead and saute them on here with the garlic as well as some grape tomatoes. So here we've got this hot pan of oil. We are going to go ahead and put the garlic face down right on the oil. The other face down. We're roasting that, and then we're just going to put in the onion right along with it. We're going to give it some time to settle down, and then we'll add the rest. I'm going to head back here and cut up some tomatoes, and then we'll go ahead and add that into this pan and let that roast all together. I just cut the tomatoes straight down the middle and then put it in the pan facing down, like so. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the rest of these, and then we'll add them onto the pan. ahead and use this tool. And all I'm gonna do is put the garlic in here and then smash it. So here I've got that onion, garlic, and I'm going to add these tomatoes right here onto the mixture. But I just want you guys to see how roasted this garlic has become. So I'm just gonna take that, add it to the mixture. Gonna cover it right back up and then lower that heat. So we've taken the onions, tomatoes, and garlic off of the heat, and here's what that looks like. So we're going to use this to make our pasta. What I'm going to do is remove the garlic that we put in here. It's very soft and very sauteed. Then you're just going to add this to a blender. So I'm going to add some of the cilantro onto the blender with the rest of the mixture. And then I'm gonna grate some of the skin of this lemon, add that onto here as well, just for a kick of lemon. And then we'll go ahead and squeeze our roasted garlic right on top of that. We're gonna blend it, and also what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some chicken broth, beef broth, whatever you have on hand. I actually made my own beef broth and I've been using it, so this is what I have left over. I'm gonna use that on this sauce, blend it up, and we'll be right back. So now you're gonna wanna take some tomato paste. I take about 3 spoonfuls and add that onto the mixture. There's our mixture. Shrimp in here. I went ahead and marinated it, and I also went ahead and garnished with some lime zest. It cooks fairly quickly. So really quickly, just want to let you know that I went ahead and put the pasta together. I need to clean up the plate a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and assemble our shrimp here in just a moment. Alright, so here's the shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and just put them around. I want to make them look cute. Obviously, if I wasn't filming a YouTube video, I would put them, I would just literally toss the shrimp with the pasta. Move on with my life. But yeah, this is how it came out. I actually tasted one piece of the pasta, and oh my god, it's so good. And it's just the right temperature of spice. But yeah, so that's dinner. I hope you liked this cooking vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.